Welcome back to Bubba and Jeremy's Outdoor Ballistics. We're here for the torture test of the Temu chainsaw. We got 6 batteries. So, you want to get the chainsaw out? Fuck it, dude.
You putz?
Alright. Well, hopefully, it lasts. So now we gotta get the bar oil in it.
So we got some. Oh yeah, we got some bar oil. Yummy. Yummy.
All right. First battery. Once I
figure it out.
You figure it out. You do it. Chain's tight. Let's go see what I can do.
So we start with this thing.
Well, we gotta start little to make sure it actually cuts. I mean, we made sure it cut, but wrap the chain up right away. This might be a short video.
Oh. Ready.
Couple attempts made through. Let's try that one. There you go.
Oh look, pumpkin from last time. Then you gotta get a powerhouse.
Firewood. I mean,
But it does the job.
it made it. If you got time, try something bigger. We could do it. We got a couple batteries. If we have to go for another battery, which I don't think it should.
Surprisingly, this thing really is doing pretty good.
It's halfway.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'll take it out. All right, let's see.
Come here!
Oh, Arnie! Well, that was
Good thing you're
almost...
fast, little man.
I mean, it did it.
It did. Stop the tree down. Couldn't go much bigger than that, though.
I mean, we can try. If you notch it right, you think we can?
I don't think so. I don't think you're going to get through that 2 different ways. I don't think it's going to happen. We're going to leave that one for another day.
Probably another day.
But, we can definitely...
And that was only one battery.
No. Now we have a problem.
What's the problem?
We got our chain coming off.
Well, this is why. Pull that up. Loosen it up. I mean, chains come off chainsaws.
Yep, you're good. Tighten her back up and try again. Here we go again.
Oh, nope, it is off.
There you go. Good to go.
Camera person could have got in a little closer.
Good to go.
I mean, it's officially down.
It is down. Get that thing again.
I mean, for a Temu chainsaw, and I'll put the picture right here, probably
Somewhere right in here.
maybe right here. It'll be there-ish. You want
Cut
some
it down
toast?
here. You're making old firewood. I think you're gonna need a new battery.
I mean, 1 tree per battery? Is that what's going on? 1 tree per battery.
Oh.
Alright. Pause video. Alright. So, here's another battery.
It's a new battery.
New battery. Second battery. 2 trees cut. Well, 1.5. Oh yeah, he said down here. I mean, it's not an echo or a still, but because you got those people that are gonna be in the comments. Well, this ain't my still. My still would go straight through that. Well, fuck your still. We're not testing the still. Did I give you the right battery?
I believe you did.
Another battery. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Are you telling me that... Did it just fucking die?
No! You had something stuck in it.
Alright.
Sure, you were cutting now. Remember, Jack, you are not. You sure you charge your batteries?
Yeah, I charged mine. I mean, remember, I think I only.
You're not a very good lumberjack. You better give me
fuck
that.
the chick. Maybe I don't like left-handers.
I think you're not a very good lumberjack. It's fine for me.
So I think you're right-handed, son of a bitch.
Yeah. Look at that, my left hand. I'm cut with my left hand.
Well, you already hit the button. By the way, there's a safety button that's only on the thing for right-handers. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
What happened now?
There might be some lead in this tree.
I mean, there already is. We chainsawed through a bullet.
Yeah. That can't be good on a chain. Actually, plugging up.
Run it a couple times. New battery? Looks this thing might not survive the rest of the video, and we didn't barely do shit to it. I'll get a new battery.